Getting for you at this point in time, and Prajwal Revanna has been found guilty. That's the big news that we are getting for you. A special court for elected representatives held Prajwal Revanna, former Hassan MP and grandson of former Prime Minister Deve Gowda, guilty of raping a 47-year-old domestic help. We have a reaction coming in. Let's cut across.
We rely not only the oral evidence, apart from that, digital evidence. Video is there, no? From video also, and technical evidence, DNA report, FSL report. They are comparing the earlier video with this oral evidence and the clothes, etc., worn by that lady during the course of, I think, rape. That also identified, and the IO is successful in securing or seizing those clothes also, even after 3-4 years.
Sir, in sensational case like this, digital evidence, how important was this in this?
Yeah, this is a digital era. We cannot ignore the digital evidence. Yeah, digital, actually in rape cases, digital evidence is not at all required. How can we expect digital evidence in such cases? But because of the, I think, pleasure of the accused, he himself recorded the video during his illegal acts or sexual acts. Because of that only, we have taken into assistance of the digital evidence to find out the truth. Because the incident had taken place 3-4 years back. The allegation must be, naturally there comes allegation, 3-4 years back allegation. But when the earlier video is not morphed one, genuine one, such incidents happen. That is, ultimately, we have to, one can come to the conclusion.
So can you say that in this historical judgment, digital evidence played a very important role?
That Okay, sir, continue, please continue.
So it is not only the digital evidence, as my colleague said, that it's evidence of, it is about the evidence of a victim which made a very crucial role in the entire.
Let's now go across to my colleague Imran, who is joining us live for more on this big story. Imran, this is a very significant development. Prajwal Revanna, former MP and grandson of former Prime Minister Deve Gowda, has been convicted. Give us more details about what happened in the court today.
Well, absolutely, dramatic scenes there. In fact, everybody waited with anxious breath about the fate of the MP of JDS, Prajwal Revanna. In fact, these videos had surfaced during the last Lok Sabha elections, and where this 2,000 videos were found in a pen drive of alleged sexual assaults of Prajwal Revanna. In one of these cases, there are 4 rape cases registered against him, where digital forensic evidence played a very crucial part in this judgment, a very historic judgment, where many would say, based on this circumstantial digital evidence, Prajwal Revanna has been held guilty for raping a 47-year-old housemaid. And there was a video of him forcing the maid to go on carry out sexual acts, based on which she had filed a FIR. And based on it, he has been now convicted. Now, Prajwal Revanna was present in court when the judgment was announced at the CCH Court Hall number 80 in Bangalore, where he broke down after the judgment. Very setback for Prajwal Revanna, but more importantly for the JDS party, and being the grandson of the former Prime Minister of Deve Gowda, judgment comes as a very backdrop of that.
Right. Stay on with us, Imran. We have Binda Adik, who's an activist, joining us on the broadcast as well. Good afternoon, Ms. Binda Adik. Appreciate you speaking with us here on Times Now. Your first reaction to this big development that has taken place in the state of Karnataka. Prajwal Revanna finally has been convicted by a special court for raping the 47-year-old domestic help.
This is not only encouragement, but it is celebration, because all of us thought, including the victim survivors, that such a powerful fellow with so much of powerful connections and continuously getting different kinds of bail would never be convicted. But today the courts have showed that no matter how powerful somebody is, if the judges and the court put their foot down, justice will be served, and this man is just being brought to justice, where he will be serving jail term. It is also a breath of fresh air, because we know that there are many such cases languishing in various courts in India, and all of them have lot of powerful connections. But here what it has been shown is women can come up, speak up, make the complaint, and police, prosecution and judiciary, when they set their minds, justice will be delivered.
Absolutely.
And it is good to also know that women are encouraged to come forward.
Absolutely. Binda Adik, appreciate you speaking with us here on Times Now and sharing with us your perspective. We are also joined by, on the broadcast, Mr. Mohandas Pai from Aryan Capital. Good afternoon, sir. Thank you for speaking with us here on Times Now. How will you like to respond to this big development from Karnataka? Prajwal Revanna convicted of rape, sexual abuse survivors finally getting justice.
No, I think I agree with Binda totally. Because, see, the biggest failure of a democracy in the last 75 years has been the failure of the justice system to deliver justice in time. The justice has been delivered in a short period of time against very powerful political figures who have the ability to get cases postponed, hire the best top lawyers to come before the court, etc. And they also have the ability to go beyond that with all kind of government agencies. In this case, the conviction has happened in a shorter period of time, and it's a great thing, like Binda said, that, you know, the courts, the police, and everybody have come together, delivered justice. I hope in all such cases where politically influential and powerful people are charged,
Right.
justice is delivered fast to send a message to everybody that society will not tolerate this, justice will be delivered, and nobody, however high you are, you will be higher than the justice system.
Right.
I think it's a very good thing that's happened in Karnataka.
Okay.
For example, in India, Lalu Prasad Yadav is still wandering around after 25 years or so
Right.
of the case. He's got bail. The bail should not be given.
Right.
I mean, he must serve out his sentence. The
Right.
judges should not be so very lenient to people
All right.
on false pretext, medical pretext. So I think it's a
Yes.
great thing in Karnataka. I hope we see many more cases where justice is done speedily.
Absolutely. Mr. Mohandas Pai, appreciate you speaking with us here on Times Now and sharing with us your perspective. Thank you, Imran, for your inputs as well. Moving on.